deep frying a turkey at work? Think again.
The grease was so hot it just ignited, sent flames up through the garage door.
Contractors building a house nearly lost the house. I'm at work. Hello, I'm Dan Clark of The Safety Brief. This is where we talk about health and safety hazards in today's demanding industrial and construction work sites. The NFPA and fire departments everywhere recommend not using a turkey fryer at home or at work because of so many dangers. Well, that didn't stop a crew in Eugene, Oregon, the year 2005, a couple of days before Thanksgiving. Contractor Tim Schmerber was on the job at the Cozy Homes construction project. What happened, Tim?
Turkey fryer.
Uh-oh.
My father thought it'd be a good idea to just stick it right in just inside the garage door.
Your dad, Henry Schmerber, set up the cooker inside the garage.
Correct.
Oops. What happened next?
Hooked everything up, added the oil, started the burner, asked one of the guys that was working there just to keep an eye on it and not to put the lid on it. And one of the gentlemen there put the lid on it.
Uh-oh.
And yeah, the oil had gotten so hot that it was bubbling out. The oil hit the burner and caught fire.
Wow. And the flame got so big that the garage door above it melted?
Yeah, it melted it. It took a couple minutes to do it, but I went right through the garage door, up through the sheetrock.
And what did you see? I mean, were you anywhere near this fire when it began?
No, actually, I was taking, I think, my son or daughter to the doctor, had my wife in the car. About 2 blocks away, we were joking about, hopefully it doesn't burn the house down. All of a sudden, I see black smoke above the tree line. And the closer we get, it's like pulled into the subdivision, and garage was on fire.
Oh, my gosh. And all the workers got out?
Yeah, everybody was out, 8 or 9 of us there. And the fire department showed up pretty quick.
Did anybody try and get to it with a fire extinguisher?
Yeah, but it was too late. It was on basically what we have around the job sites are for wood fires.
Not designed for grease fires or propane.
I was surprised the tank was still on, and it melted the hose on the tank and got pretty noisy. Didn't explode, but...
Okay, so the tank is still on, and the fire is so hot it's melted the hose, and so now you have 2 fuel sources. You've got the oil that's burning,
yep,
but you also have the propane that's spewing out like a blowtorch.
And it didn't help that the nozzle was pointing up towards the ceiling, too. So, yeah, you could imagine. It could have been a lot worse.
Wow. Well, the word was, and this was a national news story, I mean, this is now 9 years ago in 2005, but the story was that you guys went across the street and found another fryer and went to another house to cook the turkey. Is that actually true?
That is correct. Yeah, the builder went and bought another fryer, and this time they set it up on the patio with no cover. So, and we still had turkey dinner.
Wow. That's an amazing story, Tim. Well, fire departments everywhere recommend not using a turkey fryer. So now with your experience, have you given up on them, or do you have one?
I got 2, yeah. I love my deep fried turkey.
That's Tim Schmerber of Harrisburg, Oregon, who was on the job site when a turkey fryer nearly burned down the home he was building. I'm sure Tim would agree that if you're going to use a turkey fryer at work or at home, keep it outside on concrete.
Yeah.
Not on a wood deck. Don't overfill it with oil. Don't overheat the oil. Don't put in a frozen turkey. And if there is a fire, don't use water. Have an appropriate fire extinguisher. Thanks, Tim.
No problem.
That's all for this episode on turkey fryer fires. Come back for more ways to stay safety compliant in today's ever-changing landscape of safety requirements. I'm Dan Clark of The Safety Brief, a service of Creative Safety Supply, creativesafetysupply.com.